I just had dental surgery, but some of you guys might be doing some system surgery. As you can see, Ubuntu 26.04, Resolute Raccoon is not affected and no update is needed. So what exactly is going on? Well, let's take a look. An exploit called copy fail. That's funny because this exploit does not fail. A security vulnerability in the Linux kernel made public. This affects all major Linux distributions released since 2017 and grants attackers root access, full root access. Patches are available. Those who do not have the patch yet can disable this LGIF_A module. The vulnerability disclosed before a fix was ready has caused frustration within the Linux community. All right, so what does all of this mean exactly? Well, for all of you Linux newbies and Windows users, it means this. An attacker runs the code on your PC, becomes root. I call him the boss. Reads every file, watches everything. How cool is that? Not. So yeah, this is pretty serious. If you're running a previous version of Ubuntu, I guess you can wait for the patch, or you do what I did. I've been running the latest Ubuntu 26.04. I actually did a live test briefly last night, and I haven't noticed any bugs or issues with the new Ubuntu 26.04. And running this with AMD graphics Ryzen 7 and 32 gigabytes of RAM. So I need to rest my swollen mouth. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, my friends.